How do I troubleshoot when I cannot connect to any discovered Wi-Fi networks?
Hello there. Are you having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi networks? Today, we'll walk through some of the most effective troubleshooting steps that you can take to resolve this issue. Remember, patience is key when it comes to resolving technical difficulties.
Is it your device or the network?
Before we dive into troubleshooting, it's important to identify whether the issue lies with your device or with the network. Try to connect with another device. If it works, then the problem might be with your original device. If the other device also can't connect, the issue might lie with the network.
Check Wi-Fi adapter and restart device.
Sometimes, the issue might be with your device's Wi-Fi adapter. Ensure your device's Wi-Fi is enabled. If it's on, try turning it off and back on again. Additionally, a simple device restart can often fix numerous problems, including network connectivity issues.
Are you in range?
Wi-Fi signals can be weaker if you are far from the router. Make sure you're within range of the Wi-Fi signal. If you're on the edge of the signal coverage, try moving closer to the router.
Check your network settings.
Incorrect network settings can cause connectivity issues. On your device, check the settings for the Wi-Fi network. Ensure the password is correct, and the network protocol, like WPA2, matches with your router settings.
Restart your router.
Like your device, your router can also benefit from a simple restart. To do this, unplug your router, wait for a minute, and then plug it back in. Allow it a few minutes to boot up before trying to connect again.
Check your internet service provider.
Sometimes, the issue might not be with your device or your network, but with your internet service provider, ISP. Contact your ISP to see if there are any outages in your area.
Update device drivers and firmware.
Outdated software can also cause connectivity issues. Ensure that your device's network drivers and your router's firmware are up to date. Those were some steps to help you troubleshoot when you cannot connect to any discovered Wi-Fi networks. We hope this guide will help you restore your internet connectivity. Remember, when it comes to technical issues, sometimes the simplest solution is the best one. Don't forget to try the easy fixes like restarting your device or moving closer to your router before diving into more complicated solutions. Happy troubleshooting!